Hello everyone. In this video we will cover uh, new topic. Earlier in previous video we have done numerical question of lump sum at par, but now in this video we will solve question of lump sum but at the discount. So here is the question that Sunrise Limited issued 8,000 7% debenture of 100 each at a discount of 10%. Amount being payable on application, the issue was subscribed and allotment made. So in this question that 100 is the amount of each debenture and it is given on the that discount is 10%. So always discount will be charged on the face value. So you have to charge 10% on the 100 rupees. So that amount will be 10 rupees. So first entry, that date is not given here. So first entry, before doing first entry, in the case if you it will be better to pass second entry, because with the help of that you can know that what amount will be transferred in the bank account, because you have to deduct the discount amount. Like second entry will be that debenture application and allotment, debit. Discount is always considered as a loss for the company. So discount on issue of debenture, debit to 7% debenture, because in the question it is given that debenture value is 7%. So 7% debenture account. Now that value that is given in the question 100 and 10 rupees is discount. So you have to do one thing, that 10 rupees need to multiply with 8,000 share. So that will be 80,000. Remaining 90 rupees. For explanation I am mentioning here, but it is not necessary that you will do the same thing. So 90 into 8,000. So that will be 7,20,000. And the total of these that will be transferred into debenture. So that will be 8 lakh rupees. Now I pass second entry first, because with the help of that you can understand, like whenever you buy any product at discount, so you have to pay only the remaining amount. You need not to pay the discount amount. So you have to pay only 7,20,000. So that 7,20,000 will be transferred. So in the first entry you will mention as a bank account, debit to debenture application account, debenture application and allotment account you will mention here. So that will be 7,20,000. Here also that is 7,20,000. Now in the second entry I am mentioning the narration here, that you will pass being 8,000 7% debenture of 100 each issued at 10% discount. So in that way you can solve the question. So in case of discount, it will be better if you are able to pass the first entry, you can pass it, but you need not to include the discount account. You have to deduct it, and after that you can pass the amount. You can pass the journal entry, and then you fill the amount. So first entry, that always you will deduct the discount amount, and after that you can pass the second entry. So debenture application and allotment, discount always consider as a expenses, that's why it is debited. So that is the lump sum case of discount. Now, second question, it is given that now Lakshmi Limited invited application for issuing 3000. Some points that you can note, like 3000 debenture issued at 12% debenture, that is the 12% that you have to mention in the general entries at 100 each, and premium, as I already told, that premium is the higher amount, the face value. But company received application, it means that is oversubscribed. Company issued 3000 share, but we received 4000. So application for 1000 debenture were rejected and application money was refunded. Debenture were to remaining applicants. It means whatever be the excess amount, that is rejected and that will be returned. So that thing you have to remember, that whatever be the excess amount they received, that they have returned. In previous video we have passed separate entry for it means return entry we have passed separately, but it may be possible that we can pass the combined entry for that. Like you can do one thing for first entry, that will remain same, bank account debit to debenture application, bank account debit to debenture application account. The number of debenture that we have received, that is 4000. So 4000 and value, that is here you can mention your working note. Like in working note you can pass that 4000 debenture, 100 rupees is the value. So at 100 rupees value you can multiply at 150. So total amount, that is that amount, that is 6 lakh. So that 6 lakh will be transferred in the bank account to debenture application account. So that amount we have transferred here. Now being the receipt of application money on 4000 debentures. Now second entry, like debenture amount we have to transfer to debenture. So 12% debenture application, you can write it short form for that, and allotment account debit. Then 2, we have to transfer that amount into debenture account. So to 12% debenture account. Now security premium is considered as a profit for the company, so that will be credited, or we can say that is the liability for the company, so that will be credited. So securities premium account. Then first thing you can do, like 50 rupees is the premium amount, so that 50 rupees. Always remember that whatever be the issued number of issued debenture, that you have to mention here, multiply in security premium, because whatever number of debenture we have issued, that amount will be transferred to debenture and the security premium, because in the question it is clearly mentioned that excess amount we have to return. So 3000 into 100. For the explanation purpose I am mentioning here, need not to mention in that way in your working note or copies. For that you can prepare working note separately, but here I am explaining, that's why I am mentioning here. So that is the 2 security premium. So that amount, that is 1,50,000. Then after that is 3 lakh, Now in question it is mentioned that excess amount you have to transfer. So total amount, that is 150, that you have to return into 1000 shares, because in the question 1000 shares given. So that amount we have, in earlier question we have passed separate entry to, it means we can also pass entry 12% debenture application and allotment account debit to bank, but we can pass a compound entry also for that. So here we are passing the compound entry. That's why I am mentioning here that in the previous video we passed the compound entry, but I am mentioning here that you can also pass the separate entry. So that amount will be around 1,50,000. So total amount, that is your 6 lakh. So in that way you can see that just the amount of first entry and second entry, 12% debenture application amount will be same here, and that amount you can categorize as like 3 lakh transfer in the debenture account, 1,50,000 in the security premium, and rest amount you have to return. Now you will pass general entry, that being 3,000, 12% debentures, 12% debenture issued at a premium of rupees 50 each, and application money for 1,000 debentures refunded. So in that way you can solve these types of question. Remember one thing always, that security premium always credited and discount that is always debited in the with the due entry. So in this video we will do some practical question of installment for par, at discount, at premium. Thank you.